Alrighty, we just finished trading live with the LPP group and we had to close that out, but it is 7:17. It is a fine Friday and there is a lot of consolidation right now going on. So right now we're up a little bit over $1,300 profit on the day. Of course, that is including some of my swing trade positions. So if anything, I'm probably up closer to just $1,000 on my actual day trades. So just, a little disclaimer right there. But as right now, it looks like we're testing this SMA line. We're just seeing a lot of kind of consolidation. And you guys let me know in the comment section. You guys can correct me if you think I'm wrong. But overall, it continues to bottom out at previous support levels right around 113 and then overall highs of around 115.50. And it has continued to do this even during the pre-market session where it sells off, picks right back up, sells off, picks right back up. And it looks like we're actually experiencing a slight little resistance right on over here. So I think I'm actually going to do my part in when things become a little bit more on the overbought side, or if direction becomes a little bit less clear, what I like to do, and again, it's just my 2 cents, I like to reduce my position size. Why would someone want to reduce their position size? Meaning I would like to sell out of my 400 shares, I'm probably going to sell 200 of them. So there it goes. I just sold 200 of my position and right when it shoots right back up. What's new, right? Selling a little early. But the reason, I want to explain to you the why, not what I'm doing or the exact price point that I'm doing. That's irrelevant, right? Because the market's always changing. What I like to share is the reason why I'm selling a portion of my position when direction becomes, less clear. When I begin to see inconsistencies, I become, less comfortable with my trade, especially if I have a very big position, right? So I don't know how much you trade with, but if you trade with a lot of money and you're beginning to see a lot of consolidation, inconsistencies, you're gonna maybe become a little bit more emotional or unsure of hey, is this really gonna perform the way that I want it to? And because I reduce my position size, it allows me to really focus on what's important, and that's the actual opportunity. So if it goes according to plan, then I can focus on that. If it doesn't go according to plan, then guess what? I can manage my risk and cut losses. But because my position size is a lot smaller, it allows me to be able to tolerate and kind of manage that position. So I just wanted to update you guys on the series of different kind of day trades that I had. Now SQs is becoming a little bit more on the oversold side, so we'll have to follow up with that and see if we buy the dip to be able to sell it for a profit. But again, the market literally opened less than an hour ago and we're not doing too shabby. We're now up a little bit over $1,600. And we're just trying to flow with it. It's a Friday. I don't normally perform the best on Friday, but we're trying to make the most of it. Right now, we have and are experiencing a lot of consolidation on Tesla. It looks like a very common resistance level at 405. And let's do this. If you're watching this video and you're in Tesla, just to keep everyone up to date, comment down below at the time that you're watching this video the current price of Tesla to see where it actually stands as this video kind of just grows some tenure, right? So I'm very excited to see where the market goes today. But as you guys could see during the pre-market session, we were selling off, we're making lower lows, we're making lower highs. And then now that the market opened, we're just consolidating. And again, it's just like what I said earlier. It's just low points, high points, low points, high points, low points, high points. And now when things become a little bit more on the overbought side, guess what I'm going to do? One of the things that we always like to encourage our traders to do is lock in profits at any indication of a resistance level or any indication when things become a little bit more on the overbought side, especially because it's a Friday and I don't normally perform the best on Fridays. I'm just going to simply do my part in locking in profits. So there it goes. 115.27 is when I decided to lock in profits. And guess what? It's still shooting up. So nothing new here. So $1,700 profit so far on the day. But yeah, just wanted to provide you guys with a quick little update. I wish you guys an amazing Friday. Be empowered to embrace the challenge. Please don't trade with too much money and trying to overcomplicate it and trying to make it or break it. I have learned, at least from my experience and many others, is that if you're actually focusing and trying to learn how to trade, it is best to do so with a dollar amount that is enough that you feel like you have some skin in the game, but not so much that you become emotional. So try to think about it the next time you choose to take a trade, so you become a little bit more conditioned to be able to manage that overall position. But yeah, I'm very excited with Tesla. We still don't have overall confirmation. As you can see on the 180-day chart, we are above the EMA line, but we're not making higher highs. So we're still at that critical point where I would like to wait for a little bit more proper indication, because we can easily see a false kind of reversal where it tries to push up, but then it just makes lower highs and then it can shoot right back down. So just know that anything can happen. There's never a perfect trade, never a perfect investment, and it is your job to put your money where you feel comfortable with. And I, as of right now, would feel much more comfortable once we begin to see higher highs on Tesla. So let me know what it is that you're waiting for whatever stock it is that you're paying attention to do before you invest a little bit more money into it. So I really hope that I earned your thumbs up. I wish you guys not only an amazing Friday, but a productive and effective weekend. We will see you guys during our Sunday stock talk and of course our live trading session on Monday at market open. So if you guys want to watch me trade live as early as Monday, make sure, again, we're going to be running our sale. It's $50 off for the first 5 people. That's going to be that second link down below. And again, if you want to be able to watch me trade live every single day and work with me on a closer basis, it is a course for absolute beginners. It is all inclusive. And if you want to learn more about it, all you have to do is click the second link down below. I appreciate your time. And like always, let's make sure that we win the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.